Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be a continuation of what I had from my first video, but this one is going to be more on Cydia applications. So on my last video I showed you guys how to sideload Xcode, but in this case we're going to be doing a Cydia application called iTransmission, which is basically how to download torrents on your phone. So some requirements, I will also have links in the description as always. It's going to be Xcode, iOS App Signer, as well as the deb that you guys want to do. So in this case, I'm going to be doing iTransmission, and if you guys want to check out the written tutorial, you guys can go ahead. It'll be the first link inside the description below. And as you guys can see, there are a list of compatible applications that is working with the side loading. And if you guys want to check that out, it's also in the description below. And also, you guys want to download the iOS App Signer, link is in there as well. And I will be linking you guys to Cydia online to where you could download the deb files. So let's get started by first off opening up Xcode. Now you should be running Xcode 7. And also if you guys want, you guys can go ahead and plug in your iDevice so it's easier for you guys later on in the video. Now once you guys are here, you want to create a new Xcode project. And once that's loaded up, make sure you're on iOS application as well as single viewed application. Then just press next and you want to give it a product name. So for example, I'm going to be doing iTransmission. Don't worry about anything else. You guys can put your name, organization identifier, in my case Elite Apple Hacks EAH, language Swift, devices universal, and etc. etc. So just press next and you guys will choose where you guys want to put it. So for example, I'm going to be putting on my desktop. I'm going to be making a new folder called Sideload. Once you guys make it, it will be highlighted and just press create. Now just give it a second as Xcode is in fact processing the files and making sure that your iPhone is ready to go. And there you go, iTransmission project is ready to go. So if you haven't checked out my last video, go ahead and check it out. The card will be displaying now to watch how to set up your team and matching profile for your device. So for example, here we go. Let me just select my team again and it'll resolve code signing issues. And there you go, it is good to go. Now once this is done, you guys want to go ahead and minimize Xcode and we want to open up the iOS App Signer. Once this is opened up, you will see the signing certificate, so you just want to choose which one you guys just did. And the provisioning profile, it'll automatically have the one we just made. So for example, Elite Apple Hacks iTransmission right here. Now the input file, you want to go to browse, and since my deb file is on my desktop, it'll be already there on my desktop. So we just want to open that up and we want to press start. Don't worry about the ID and anything else. So you guys know you guys did it correct, is if it says save as and it'll say iTransmission.ipa, that's what we want. So in my case, I want to be organized. I'm going to be putting it in Sideload. So just press save and it will start to unpack the deb file and turning it into an IPA. Alright, in a couple seconds it will say done and it will say where it exported to, and we can go ahead and close out the iOS App Signer. Now I just want to let you guys know that I do not have anything that involves iTransmission on my iDevice. So as you can see, there's nothing there. So I will minimize this down for right now and we're going to go back into Xcode. Alright, so here's where it gets a little bit tricky. So on the top left hand corner where it says iTransmission, just make sure that it has your device connected. In my case, my name is Error. Now on the windows on the top of your screen, sort of in the middle, it will say window, go down to devices. Once you guys are here, you will see that it does have your device that's plugged in as well as your Apple Watch if you guys have one. In my case, I have mine connected on my phone, so it's going to show it right here. But we're not worried about that, so we're going to scroll down where it says installed applications. So we just want to press the plus and we're going to be selecting the IPA that we just made. So for example, it'll be in Sideload and iTransmission.ipa. Now we just want to press open right here and it will in fact say installing. Now it will say error is busy, which is your phone. In a brief while it will say that it is done and it will say iTransmission right here. So we can go ahead and close that right now. Alright, so we are done with Xcode now. We can go ahead and minimize Xcode, and I'm just going to be showing you guys in real time that I do have iTransmission on my phone, and if I tap on it, you can go ahead and load it up, and as you guys can see, it is asking if we want to send notifications. It says hey, hello, and enjoy downloading. I got it, and pretty much self-explanatory. You guys can add torrents from the web, magnet, or URL. And there you guys go. That's pretty much how you are able to sideload iTransmission on your phone. As you can see, I do have in fact Kodi as well as the Goodnight or f.lux that you guys saw in my last video. So there you guys go, and big thanks to JamesJLewis for allowing me to make a tutorial for you guys in video form, as well as the authors of Fitz Weekly, aka the article that I had pulled up in the beginning of the video. Without them, this video would not be possible, so it's pretty much a little sponsored by them. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and leave a like down below, and also subscribe to get videos just like this in the future, as well as tweak reviews once the new iOS 9.3 jailbreak is available. And also stay tuned and follow me on my Twitter page to be informed on when the jailbreak is coming. And I will also be making a Facebook page soon that pretty much works just like my Twitter, which is going to be a place where I can hang out with you guys and talk about jailbreak content. So I'll see you guys in my next video. This is Elite Apple Hacks signing out.